Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Xfinity X1 TV box. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a couple of different ways how we can do this. So now if we want to restart it using the Xfinity remote, from there, press the A button on your remote, the triangle button, scroll to help and select it, select restart, and then confirm by selecting restart again. The other way is by using the power cord. So we can unplug the power cord from the back of the box, like so, or from the wall. Then wait at least 10 seconds, then plug it back in. The box will reboot. This may take up to a few minutes. And we can also do this with the mobile app as well. So open up the Xfinity My Account app, tap the TV icon, select X1 TV box, tap troubleshoot, and then choose restart this device.